target power trigger trade. All right, people, we got another winning plan. Before I talk about the winning plan for Apple, I want to talk about July 31st. This was the first winning plan where I posted this July 31st, right? And then this is the winning video right over here, August the 2nd. Now, inside of PowerGroupTrades, I posted actually 3 plans. This is the second one right now. I'm going to show you the September 21 205 call. So after we made great gains in this August the 2nd, I made another plan for Apple, and we're going to see that today, the gains today, especially how much we went since the confirmation. Let's go take a look inside of PowerGroupTrades. All right, people, so after August the 2nd, I posted another plan. So we took our gains on August the 2nd, right? And so here, August the 8th, I posted an Apple special update. So let's take a look at the plan I posted for August the 8th, okay? So let's take a look here. I'm going to open this up, and you can see this over here. So what I said here, okay? And this again, let me see, it says chart based on August right over here. See over here? I'm going to let go. Chart based on August. One second here. Chart based on August 08, 10:03 a.m. So what I said here is Apple has set up the test 210 to 215, okay, in the short term. The September 21 205 calls could be used. Now, if you look on my charts here, you can see that right here, September 21, right here. The options cost $515, okay? Now, of course, we had to pay more for confirmation. I said, after 10:35 a.m., we will look to enter 207.25 to 207.50 area. This will depend on the action, okay? So here you see that Apple was at 206.37. Now, we just made a great plan. We just made some great gains, okay? And we exited position greater than 150% gains from August the 2nd, and we went back in, okay, with a new plan here, August the 8th, right? August the 8th. And let's take a look at the confirmation now. Look again, the options at the time, they cost $515. And by the way, we even have a third winning plan that was executed today, and it's on the choice to being winners. And I'm going to show you. That's why I told people to get inside of PowerGroupTrades, but the lazy people will always never see the dollar bills. They're too lazy. Too lazy. All right, now. So here it is. August the 8th. Apple confirming with the September 21 205 calls at 640. So as you can see, the options at the time cost $515, but we had to pay for confirmation at $640. And by the way, people, let me show you something quickly. By the way, I made a special update today for Apple here, and we went in with the 215 calls. I said this is the third plan right over here, and let's go see what I said. Let's quickly see here. Apple wants to test 220-222 next. The September 21 215 calls could be used. Apple next break point is 215.30. Well, guess what happened today? See, this is before the facts right here. 10:15 a.m. See, let me see right there. Take a look at the corner there. 10:50 a.m. and we made already gains. And you can see the options at the time. The 215 calls cost $530 on confirmation, but they were costing, as I post this, let me let go. As you can see, they cost, as I posted this, the 215 calls right over here, about $500, close to $500, $494 per option. Okay, and by the way, they confirmed at $530. By the way, but anyways, this is back to the video for the September 21 205 calls. This will be the second winning plan, and I'm going to link you the video. Let me show you here what I'm talking about. Charts now, people, and as you can see, here's August the 17th. Apple closed at $217.58. Now, those 205 calls, okay, they closed at $1,435. Again, a demonstration of big picture thinking. You see, I explain to people that my plans show from start to end, you know, from start to confirmation to the end point. Now, obviously, you want to be taking profits. I mean, the options went up a lot, and what we did is we rolled into the 215 options, and these went up for us as well, and these are now $660. So again, 3 winning plans from the Apple earning. I had a plan for Apple earnings. We went into that. We made those gains over here. We bought the confirmation. Let's see. Here is August the 8th. We got in here. Held. Boom. Follow, people? Big picture thinking. Big picture thinking. Get inside of Power Group Trades. Let me show you what I'm... Study. Look at the power. Look. You see stock clown? That's skill. Anyways, people. Stock clown, you don't want to be a stock clown. You want to study. You want to... Listen. Oh, white people. Welcome to Power Trick or Trade. Confirmation is key. Listen, you want to get inside of Power Group Trades. Just simply study this video. This video will explain you what to do. Let's go to my YouTube channel. I'm also doing health and wealth. Check out this video over here. Okay, people. But anyways, listen. You want to study my created playlist. Okay, a lot of great things happening here. Again, I'm going to post the Apple Tesla plan. Okay, greater than 100% gains. Okay, in both these options at the time. Apple being, of course, one of them. We've been killing it. You should check out, like I said, this. Listen, you study this created playlist, powerful. Also, go to my website here. Let's go quickly. You want to study this video. This is a great true story, powerful video. We make the killer gains here in Power Trick or Trade. But the key is to study. Also subscribe, very important. Hit the subscription here. Subscribe to my website. That's how you do it, by hitting the subscription. Okay. Anyways, back to Power Trick or Trade here, people. So listen up, people. I'm the big picture expert in both health and in wealth. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Study my created playlist. Study. Get inside and Power Group Trades. If you don't have a YouTube account, get one. Subscribe here manually. If you have one already, I'm going to speak to you right now, one-on-one. I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe right inside this video. Let's see what I say. All right, people. Now that we just finished watching that great detailed video, don't forget to look at my banner. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you check out my created playlist. Make sure you study before taking action on Power Trades. Every plan that I make has great detailed instructions. And I put my heart and soul in it because I want my subscribers and followers to make great money in the markets. But you have to study, people. Let me show you a way to subscribe. Let's see a picture of me around here in a circle format. Simply click on it, and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Don't forget, people, at the end of the video to like the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video.